Hi everybody, welcome back to the Fibo Kids Art Academy Online. I'm Miss Kaitlin and today we're going to be making name creatures. Now it's really fun. Basically what you're going to do is we're going to get a piece of paper, we're going to write a name on that piece of paper and you're going to cut it out, and then from the shape you get, you're going to make a little creature out of it. Alright, so now we're ready to write the name. I would recommend doing this in pencil. I'm going to use a marker just so that you can see it clearly. Again, you can do any name you want. You can be your family member, a friend, yours. I'm going to write Fibo. Okay, now that we have the name written out, we're going to cut around it. You're not going to cut on the insides here, just kind of around the name itself. So grab a pair of scissors. If you're feeling confident, you can also tear it, but I'm going to use scissors. Okay, and then open it like this. All right, so now, once you have your name all cut out, try and go to the blank side like so. Now for me, you can see the marker from before, but that's okay for our purposes today. Now what you're gonna wanna do is look at the shape that you have and kind of decide what kind of a creature does it look like? What kinds of shapes can you make out? I kind of see, this kind of looks like a head to me. These are like arms, and then these are like some very silly sort of shoes that they're wearing. You can draw this out and use any mediums you want. I'm going to use Mr. Sketch markers. You can use colored pencil. You can even do graphite if you want to go for a more monochromatic look. It's totally up to you, but once you kind of decided what you want to draw, go ahead and begin. So our name creature is all done. I think it turned out really cute. I would love to see the ones that you made. So remember, you can make your post on Facebook and hashtag FiboArt so that we can see it. All right, so thank you guys. Have a good day and we will see you next time.